Facebook and YouTube. It's Howell's Carpet Cleaning here, and we're going to have a little bit of fun today. What I'm going to kind of demonstrate is what happens when your carpet cleaner fails to pre-vacuum the carpet before going into doing the actual carpet cleaning extraction process. And what I've done is I've taken a curry bag of debris from a previous job, and I'm going to go ahead and dump them into that bucket and simulate what happens when all that stuff gets wet. Okay, boys and girls, that right there is the big soupy mess that it creates when you get debris in the carpeting wet. So does it make sense to steam clean the carpets before getting all that stuff out, or should you be pre-vacuuming and getting that debris out before you do the steam cleaning?